Hey, what's up guys, it's Skills here, and today we have a couple of announcements. I know this is going to be a short video, maybe like
yeah, we do. We've got a couple of announcements.
And today, you tell us the first one.
First of all, we are doing a Halloween special. Yes, we are doing a Halloween special. And he's fucking throwing shit at me now. Yeah, I'm keeping that swear word in. Okay, so on Monday we'll be doing a Halloween special. So pretty much we're gonna dress up as whatever. We're gonna do stupid shit in it. Real stupid shit. Yeah, back to this faggot.
Alright, the second one is we're at 500 subs, which I mean we're quite a bit away, so you guys go tell your friends to go subscribe to us, get us to 500 subs as quickly as possible. We are going to be doing a giveaway. We've got an Xbox One, a PlayStation 4 and a copy of FIFA 17 actually on each of the consoles. So yeah.
Yeah, you better subscribe now if you want that FIFA.
Whoa.
If you want that FIFA, subscribe now, bitches. Have a look on like about a couple days after Halloween for that Halloween special.
And yeah, see you in the next video, which will probably be the Halloween special.